If you have received this email that DKIM setup revoked for your domain.com in particular reason from Amazon SES, you can see that the Amazon SES DNS record have not found the DKIM options. So in order to fix this, you have to go to the cPanel of your web hosting, and from this you have to search for DNS and you will see this option John Editor. Just click on this John Editor and here you will see all of your domains and you can add these records to one of your domains on which you have received the message. So here we have the option of adding the A record, CNAME and Amex record. But if you want the more option, just click on the manage and that would open up these John Editor or John records. All of these options are now available. So you can just click on this add record to add any record. When you click on this, you can just enter the name over here and you can just choose the type from A, C or either CNAME or the text record or any other option, and then you can just paste the record value over here. So the process is entirely the same, but I have just recently added my website to the Cloudflare. So in the Cloudflare, I will go and fix this, and I have got this issue just because I have moved my website to the Cloudflare after I added all of these records over here. So initially I set up the Amazon SES with this my cPanel or hosting of the Namecheap hosting, but now I have just moved my website to the Cloudflare and that's why this problem was caused. So let's go to the Cloudflare and just fix it over there. Then go back to the Cloudflare, select your domain and click on the DNS setting. So this is the DNS setting. The process is the same if you have not using the Cloudflare. Thereafter go back to the Amazon SES, select on the domain on the left option and click on the domain, and the domain on which you have received this message, you will see the pending revocation or waiting for the DKIM setup, something like that. And thereafter you have to just fix this in order to send the emails. Then so how you can do this, just click on your domain. So once you will click on this domain, you will see so many other options. So over here you can see the status. If you see the verification status as not verified, just copy this text name, go back to the Cloudflare and click on the plus add record, and from type select the text from the bottom and paste this name over here, and then go back to the Amazon SES. Now copy the text value. So just copy this text value from here, then go back to the DNS record and on the content column just paste it over here and then press the save. And if you have already added these, then you will see this option or this error, the record already exists. Otherwise you can just add it this way. Then go back and click on the DKIM option and this would open these settings. Just copy this value until your domain name. Just copy this before the dot. So we'll copy this domain key, go back in the DNS record, cancel it and click on the add record, and from the type is the CNAME. You can see the CNAME. So come down and select the CNAME from here and paste the name, the value which we have just copied, and then we'll copy the rest of the value and we'll put this on the target column. So we'll paste it and we'll click on this proxy status. So at this moment it's proxy. So just click and that would show you the DNS only. So if you just save it with the proxied, you will see this error, a DNS validation error code. This kind of a record cannot be proxied. So you have to just click on this cloud icon, and that would make it just DNS only, and thereafter just press the save. Similarly, go back and copy all of these other values before your domain and just click on the add and choose the CNAME, paste the value. So by doing this, you have to just copy all of these 3 values similarly and press save. And Once you have completely added all of these settings, you will see these options over here, or these entries over here: CNAME, DNS only, DNS only, and DNS only. So thereafter you will go back and just refresh this page, go back to the domains and just refresh. After some time you will see the change in the status. Or if you don't see this, just wait for few hours. You will receive an email from the Amazon, something like this, that the DKIM setup is now restored on your particular domain. You will receive this message that Amazon SES DKIM setup was restored for your domain.com, and we have detected that the codes required for DKIM setup for your domain have been restored to your DNS settings. So this is how you can easily fix this.